In this procedure, we will be replacing the controller on a Furrion air conditioner. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill and a Phillips bit. Remove the decoration plate from the air distribution box by pushing the side tabs to release. Then remove the filters by pushing the tabs to release. Now you can remove the screws mounting the air distribution box to the ceiling. Once done, remove air distribution box from the ceiling and disconnect the harness going to the controller. Make sure battery and shore power are disconnected. Now you can disconnect the 6-pin and 3-pin harnesses from the controller. Next, disconnect the thermostat, furnace, and 12-volt wires. After that, remove the screws attaching the controller to the mounting bracket. On the controller, locate and loosen 2 screws that are holding the 115-volt wire in place. Locate and remove screw and cover from controller to gain access to the 115-volt wire connections. You can now disconnect the 115-volt wires and feed them through the opening of the controller. With all the wires disconnected, you can replace the controller. On the new controller, remove the screw and cover to gain access to the 115-volt connection wires. Feed the 115-volt wires into the controller. Then tighten the 2 screws down to secure it in place. Look inside the controller. We'll start connecting the 115-volt wires. First, connect the ground wire to the green-yellow wire. Then connect neutral wire to white wire. And then connect hot wire to black wire. Push the wires back into the controller and reinstall the cover. Next, install the controller to the mounting plate. Now plug in the 6-pin, 3-pin, and free sensor harnesses into the controller. Next, connect the 12-volt input wires, starting with red to red-white, then connect black to white. We can now install the thermostat wires, starting with connecting the green wire to the green wire, then red wire to red wire, then blue to blue, and then purple to yellow. The final wires are the furnace brown wire that connects to the thermostat white wire. Push all the harnesses up into the opening, then connect the controller harness to the air distribution box. Next, mount the air distribution box to the ceiling with the mounting screws. Next, install the filters in the air distribution box. Finally, install the decoration plate to the air distribution box. This completes the procedure for replacing the controller on a Furrion air conditioner.